A day in my life as a Filipino nurse living in Australia. So in the morning, I have to run errands. I couldn't understand the weather. Usay bugnaw, usay init, nalibog jud ko. So at lunchtime, I met my husband. Kay kani ako husband, medyo clingy po ni siya. So mag-lunch daw mi sa gawas. So I went ahead and looked around for good restaurants for lunch. Kanang very fast lang because she needs to go back to work as soon as possible. And then we don't really need to have fine dining, just enough. Oh yeah, I was starving because I did my intermittent fasting. So dapat 11 a.m. I should eat na. But then he said 12:30 pa daw siya maka-lunch. So we found this restaurant. It looks cool and there were many people. And sabi ng server, they could serve the bento boxes. Would you like to have lunch? Part 2, yeah. Sorry? No booking, eh? No booking. No worries, yeah, thank you. Wait for a moment. Seta na dyan kumukha ang gigo po, makay ko. And the servers were really nice. Sky, he needs to go back to work immediately because he's gonna have a meeting. So we couldn't do lunch. And he said 1:30 na daw mi mag-lunch. So of course I was already so hungry. I went home and went ahead and had lunch by myself. Then we went back again to the same restaurant at 1:30 para maka-lunch siya. So I said, okay, fine. So he ordered a bento box. He's hungry na din because it's already 1:30. And then I ordered the dim sum. Siomai, actually, chicken siomai. Yay, thank you. This was good siomai. Lami siya, promise. I know there was a Chinese restaurant, but it was a Malaysian restaurant. Pretty good food. He's happy and I'm happy because we already ate. I went home and just had a quick nap and do some household chores. And in the evening, he said, okay, let's go to the gym. There's a HIIT class of 45 minutes. Ako po, because I had so much energy earlier. I said, yeah, okay, fine. So, pag 6:30 na, I felt so tired. I was so sleepy. I said, okay, fine, let's go. Di tapo, ko yan, ingon man siya. I will not go if you're not go. And then, so I went, finished the HIIT class, and then we're heading home.